Greetings. Let's explore the Analytics app, which is different from the Analytics Studio. The Analytics app is geared towards the business users who are primarily interested in tracking their analytics assets, keeping tabs on key metrics. So right now I'm on the Analytics app. The way you navigate there is by clicking on the app launcher and searching for the Analytics app. Okay. Now, once you're in the Analytics app, you'll notice that the layout is similar to the Analytics Studio. Um, what we'll do is you can click on Browse and you'll be able to see various assets. You can also search based on keywords if you like. Okay. And one of the first things that you can do is you can select one or more apps, add them to your favorites. So I'm going to go to Company Trending, add it to my favorite, regional sales, add it to my favorite. Okay. Now when you go to favorites, previously I added a few items, but you'll see the last two items added are the ones that I've done recently. Okay. Similarly, you could have entire collection. This could be coming from, again, a variety of apps, and you can organize your information. All right. Similarly, your sales app, sales performance is another such collection. You can share your collection with colleagues so that way they can create a similar one if you like. Okay. And then the other thing that you could do is you can add more assets. We'll open one of the dashboards. So let me go into one of the dashboards. So I'm interested in the sales performance with selectable measures. This is part of the DTC sales app that we had used previously. Okay. If you're not able to locate it directly, what you want to do is go into Browse and search for performance. Okay. You'll notice that there are two of them. Select the one that says with selectable measures. That's the one from DTC app. Now, once you're here, you can do a couple of things. So let's say I want to set up a notification. Every time my open pipeline is about 250 million. So I can go here and set a notification. I want a notification on the amount. It could be on a different attribute if the widget has that, and it's greater than or equal to, let's say, 250 million. Okay. And you want to only be notified once, or you can be notified every time. You can select when you want to be notified once a week, be on Monday morning, 9 a.m. Okay, and you can send it to yourself or one of your colleagues. All right, so that's your notification. The other thing that you can do is you can annotate. Let's say you want to check with Catherine, who is running the risk of missing her quota if the trend continues, or to Dennis, who's missed the quota. So what you can do is you can go in here into this widget and set an annotation saying looks like you the quota. Let's talk. You can attach a screenshot so then it has the necessary context. Okay. The other thing that you can do is whether a chart or a table, when you export, it will be in the form of a table, just so you know. And I can go in here and I can share the chart. I can post it to feed, export it to Quick, or I can download it. Again, I can download it as an image, Excel format, or a CSV file. So I'm going to go ahead and download it as a CSV file. And you notice here that the file has been downloaded. You can open the file if you like, and that should open on your Excel. Okay. All right. So that's essentially what you're interested in. The other thing that you can do is you can add some metrics to a watch list. For example, let's say I'm interested in the one opportunity and I want to add it to watch list. So I can add it to a watch list where if it goes up or down a little bit, so you can set it to either a standard or a reverse change. Click on save. Now that's added to your watch list. Now how do you track your watch list? You can go back to the Analytics Studio, and if you click on watch list, you will see this item on your watch list. I had previously added a couple more, but you can track if over the last 365 days, anytime this amount fluctuated by more than 5%. Okay. The other thing that you could do is you could subscribe to certain widgets. Now let me go back to the dashboard. So we were looking at the sales performance with selected double wave measures. And here, what I want to do is I want to subscribe to this widget so I get a copy and I can set the frequency, right? I can say this is my team performance. Let's say I'm the team manager. I want to track this and I want to get this information, and you can select, what the frequency should be. Okay, so right now I just set to once a week. All right, and if I have too many subscriptions or to go and adjust it, I can do that. So that covers the key features that are part of the analytics app. Feel free to explore, post questions, I'll be happy to help. Thank you.